Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make games with Python using a module called as the Pygame. So this will be a series of videos. I'll be making more videos in this series to break down the tutorial into parts. So let's get started. So I have made a folder called Pygame, and I have saved a file called as game.py, and please don't name the file as Pygame because it will give you an error. It's a common mistake by everyone. Please don't name the file as Pygame. So first we need to install the Pygame module. So just open your command prompt and type pip install Pygame and click enter. So it will take a while. It will install the Pygame module. It lets you to create games with Python. You can program a game, your own game. So in this tutorial we'll be covering the key presses and how to start the Pygame module. So I have successfully installed the Pygame. It's version 1.9.6. So let's start programming. So first of all we need to import that module. So import Pygame. So this will import the module called as Pygame. When you run this, you can see hello from the Pygame community. Then it's the thing, it will tell you it's working. So next we need to initialize the Pygame. So for that, so when you initialize, we need to make sure that it's working properly. So we need to initialize the Pygame module. So for that, we're going to make pygame.init. This will initialize the Pygame module. So next, we need to create the display for Pygame. We need a display to run our game, to get inputs. So we need a window. Window is equal to Pygame dot, we need the display, so display dot set mode. This will set the mode of your display. Set mode. We need to enter the dimensions here, so it'll be like 500 comma 500. Yeah, this would be correct. So let's run this and let's see. We have a problem in here. Oh, it's Pygame. Yeah, now it will run. Yes, you saw the, did you see the window? It just prompted and it will go back because it's not running in a while loop. So next, we need to set the title for the display. So the title will be Pygame dot display dot set caption. So this will set the title for your Pygame window. So we will name it as demo. That would be nice. So next we need to enter some dimensions like x coordinate, y coordinate, width and height to make sure to get into the input to the Pygame display. So we will write x is equal to 50 and y is equal to 50, and we will add width. This is to create something like a rectangle or something in this tutorial. So next, we can enter the velocity. Velocity of the object will be 6 or 5, maybe anything, it's up to you. Next we need to run the Pygame. So for that we will make run is equal to true. So next, basically while run, we need some delay for Pygame, Pygame delay 100. So when you run this again, display PLAY Why am I making errors today? So you can see the name demo, the title of your window call is demo. So let's close it. That's some problem. So next we need a for loop for event. So Pygame will make events. It will have different events like key presses, movements, closing, etc. So for event in Pygame, dot event dot get, we are getting event from the Pygame. If the event type, if event dot type is equal to Pygame dot quit, there's an event called as Pygame dot quit. So it basically closes the window. So if you close the window, then why need it to run? So run is equal to false. It will say run is equal to false. So so I think next we need something like maybe we need to fill our window, right? So window fill with color black, so 0, 0, 0 RGB is equal to black, pure black. Maybe white. It's white or black? Okay, I hope it's black. So Pygame dot, we're going to draw a rectangle maybe. So we'll draw a rectangle. It should be in our window, and its color, next we need to enter its color. So its color will be like 0, RGB. So we will set it the green color, so it's RGB. And next we need its dimensions. So we are using these values, not velocity, these 4 values to to get the dimensions of the rectangle we are creating now. So it'll be like x comma y comma width, width comma height. So these are the dimensions of our rectangle. So when we are creating a rectangle, we need to update our display. So updating our display shows the rectangle and movements of the rectangle. So for that we need Pygame dot display dot update. So this will update our window. So let's run this file. Pygame dot quit, yeah. Oh, Pygame dot quit. Yes. Pygame dot quit. I hope it runs now. No? Invalid syntax. I think there's a problem. We got an issue. Yeah, it's not Pygame.quit. Oh my god, it's an if loop. It's an if loop. It needs a colon here. My mistake. Again. Yes, run is equal to false. What's the problem? For even type, run is equal to false. Is that right? Oh, we need the indentation. The indentations are very yeah, I need the tab. It was here before, need to be here. Making lots of mistakes today. So done. We have created a rectangle in our Pygame window. So the rectangle is in green color, but we have an issue. We can't move this rectangle. We cannot, we cannot give inputs to move this rectangle. So for giving inputs, we need to program some extra bits of code. Yes, for that, we need keys, you know, key presses. Keys is equal to like pygame dot key dot get pressed. This is a type of event that checks whatever keys are pressed, whatever the keys is pressed. So yeah, next we need to program the keys we needed to make it to make the rectangle move. So if keys, we are getting this attribute, we're getting this attribute in here, so it is equal to pygame key dot get pressed. So if keys pygame dot k, first we need the left key. We need 4 of these, so I will copy this. Oh, not here. It's getting into the second loop. So we need 4 keys. So first left, and we need the right one, and we need the up key. So we are using the arrow keys today for the moment of you know, for the moment of the rectangle. So we got the keys. So now we are going to talk about the coordinates in the pygame window. So this top left top will be 0, 0, and this bottom right edge will be 500, 500, and this top right will be 0, 500, and this one will be 500, 0. Oh wait, I am telling it wrong. This is 500, 0 and 0, 500. So next, so these are the coordinates in the pygame. So this will be the x coordinate and this will be the y coordinate. So for moving the x coordinate, we need to minus the velocity from the x coordinate. So we will minus the velocity in the x coordinate. For the right to move in right, we need to add the x coordinate. We need to add the x coordinate with velocity. So to move up, it's same right here, this will be up, but basically it will be inverted. So rather than adding to go up, we should minus to go up. That's how they program the pygame module. So minus equal to velocity. We are minusing the velocity to go up, to move forward. To move upwards. Then we need to add the velocity to move downwards. So this will move the rectangle. I think everything's covered in here. Let's run, and I'm going to press the down key. Can you see that it's moving? We can move the rectangle wherever we want. So this is the basic to get key presses in pygame window. You can mess up with the code, like changing the velocity to 20 and running the game. It'll run too fast. So in the next video I will cover about the boundaries, because we have an issue with this. We don't have boundaries. The rectangle will go through this window and go into the infinity. I know where it goes. It goes into the infinity. So we need boundaries to stop the rectangle from going into the infinity or something void. So I will cover that up in the next tutorial. So wait for me to get into the next tutorial about the boundaries. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get daily updates about Python. So bye.